everybody, I'm Jen. I don't know who this guy is.
You're gonna introduce yourself every time?
Yeah, this might be the first video somebody sees. You don't want to know who these yahoos are. So, Mr. Yahoo, who are you?
I'm still Todd.
Oh, so what's on the agenda for today, baby?
Work.
Yep. We are heading to our work site on the lake to start installing some soffit and fascia.
Yep.
And that's pretty much about all we're going to accomplish today, isn't it?
Yep.
Is there anything we need to accomplish for the week besides working on the house? I think there's supposed to be some rain this week, so our weekly plans may get changed around a little bit.
Yeah. Well, barring the rain, I wanted to get all the soffit up. And siding tore off this week, but if it rains, it'll knock that out. But we'll get what we can done.
And we also have another job site to go to today to do some pre-measuring for some closets. So
cabinet closet.
Cabinet, yeah. She has the client has a big open room. Little technical difficulty there. Has a big open room that has some other bedrooms attached to it and a bathroom, and she wants some closets built into there because there's no closets in the bedrooms. So we're gonna go get our measurements tonight so Todd can start on the boxes for the closet cabinets. So that's going to be a full day. Mm-hmm. So what'd you think about the Super Bowl last night, babe?
How about them Chiefs?
There's a lot.
What'd I say?
If anybody out there mortgaged their house like you suggested,
they shoulda.
They're in luck, aren't they?
Luck ain't got nothing to do with it.
No? They're not in luck?
Nope.
It was just fate, huh? Fate and luck are two different things?
Yep. At the end of the third quarter, you was worried, though, because I was. I was losing faith. Another awesome comeback.
I have to admit, it was
by Mahomes.
It was a good game.
Yep.
Had a lot of excitement to it.
But I did not know till last night that the head coach of the 49ers was the offensive coordinator for the Atlanta Falcons when they blew that huge lead against the Patriots like three Super Bowls ago.
Uh-oh.
So he's got a bad history of blowing leads like that.
Uh-oh.
In big games, I think.
That may not bode well for him.
It bodes all right.
It bodes all right.
He still got them to the Super Bowl.
Yeah.
And they're still a good team. But I'm glad he screwed it up if he did screw it up. Commercials sucked. I didn't think any of the commercials were good.
And what's up with no Budweiser Clydesdales, or did I just miss it? They always have a Budweiser Clydesdale commercial.
I didn't see one.
The Clydesdales out there playing football?
I didn't see one. Maybe they couldn't afford the Super Bowl prices.
Yeah, what's up with that?
Maybe they couldn't afford it.
Jeez. That's ridiculous.
halftime show was kind of lame, I thought.
I'm never very impressed with the halftime shows. I mean, they're just, yeah.
Yeah. So what do you got on the agenda? What are you leaving out? What are you not mentioning?
Well, I don't know, because I don't know how this week is going to progress with the weather. I mean, we've got a little bit of eBay shipping to do. I'll get that ready tonight to mail out tomorrow. Try to get some more stuff on tonight. That's what I did during the Super Bowl last night. I got a bunch of stuff on eBay. Since I wasn't going to have my Zen day today to clean and catch up on laundry and catch up on some listing.
Catch up on some quiet time.
Yeah, some me time, but if there's some rain this week, I'll get it. Since we won't be able to go out and work.
Nope.
I'll just have to boot you out into the rain this week.
Boot me out.
Mm-hmm.
I guess I'll have to go to Cherokee by myself.
You're supposed to be going to Goodwill, not Cherokee.
Oh. Let the cat out of the bag, didn't I?
Yeah.
We have some more action footage. Maybe Jen can add some sound effects. Some funny sound effects.
If you didn't catch our last video, Todd's referring to the sound effects in our last video.
Yeah. She likes to play with the sound effects. I need to clean it.
I just found them. So, fun with sound effects. And tissues. worked his magic today and did an awesome job figuring out the soffit and working on one of the front pieces. Looks awesome, baby.
Thank you, baby.
Yeah.